In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Jotform as PDF. By the end, you'll have a clean PDF version of your form that you can save, print, or share with your team or clients. Start by opening your web browser and heading to jotform.com. Make sure you're signed in so you land on your dashboard. On the left side of the screen, look for the navigation panel and click All, sometimes labeled All Forms. This shows every form in your account, making it easy to pick the one you want to export. Find the form you need, click it to select it, and then choose Edit Form. That opens the form builder where you normally tweak fields, layout, and settings. Even if you don't need to change anything, this is the right place to be for creating a PDF of the form. At the top of the builder, click Publish. This section is designed for sharing your form in different ways, and it's also where Jotform keeps the PDF export option. Once you're in Publish, scroll down until you see the PDF option. It may be grouped with other share or embed options, so keep scrolling until it's clearly visible. Click PDF to reveal the download controls. When you're ready, click Download. Jotform will prepare the file and your browser will either start the download automatically or ask where you'd like to save it. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's downloads list or the default downloads folder on your computer. The file you get is a PDF version of your form, useful for printing, sharing as an attachment, or distributing to people who prefer a document format. If you plan to share it widely, consider renaming the file to something descriptive so it's easy to find later. If the layout looks tight or a question wraps awkwardly, you can adjust spacing and field widths back in the form builder, then repeat the download so the PDF reflects your changes. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If the download doesn't start, temporarily disable any pop-up blockers and try again. If your left sidebar is collapsed at the start, expand it to reveal the All option. And remember, this process creates a PDF of the form itself for sharing or printing. It doesn't export your form submissions. That's it, simple and reliable. Go to Jotform, open your form in the builder, head to Publish, scroll to PDF, and click Download. Thanks for watching and enjoy your polished PDF.